Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a photo to your Android home screen. Let's jump right in. First, take your phone, go back to the home page. Here you can find any empty area, simply tap on holding. From the pop-up page, look at the bottom menu bar, find the widget option, click to open them. Once you are in the widget page, scroll down slowly. Here you can see various options, but located the gallery option, tap on it. Now you can see image stories they are listed. Find the exact size if you want to add your home screen. For example, I am at this 2x2 size. Simply tap on hold it, then set your desired spot. For example, this spot. Now release your finger. Right now this is added. You can also put your photo there. To do it, simply tap on it, then tap on select images, open your gallery, choose the image if you want to set. For example, I am choose this image, then hit the done button, and right now my image is also set. If you decide to change the position, don't worry, simply tap on hold it, set your desired spot. Right now you are done. Thanks for watching. Hope this guide will help you. Please subscribe to my channel.